On everybody, Grim Repair here. Today we're working on a 2008 Ford E150. And the problem we're having is when we turn our turn signals on, they kind of do whatever they want. Sometimes they'll flash 2 times, sometimes they won't flash at all. Like right now it's working, but anyway, the problem is this multi-function switch here. It controls the wipers, turn signals, and the washer fluid and the high beams. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. Tools you're going to need are a Phillips screwdriver, kind of a long one, and a T15 socket. First thing that we're going to do is pull the tilt knob off, and it just unscrews. We're going to come underneath here. There's 3 Phillips screws, one in this hole, one in this hole, and one in this hole here. And then the bottom pops off. Then we're going to put the keys in the ignition, turn them to the run position, and there's a little pin here. We're going to push in on it and pull the key cylinder out, and it's out. We're going to come up top here, and we're going to slide the top off. And we have our 2 T15 screws. One's there and one is there. Gonna remove those. Then we have 3 plugs on the back. Squeeze the tab, pull it out. Squeeze the tab and pull it out. And this one's a little different. The tab is right here. Push it up, pull it out. Plug the new one in. Screw those T15s back in there. Test it out. Slide the top back on. Pop your key cylinder back in there. Just slides in with that detent facing down. Pop the bottom back on. Screw it in. Screw the tilt knob back in. That's it. High five, you did it. Thanks for watching.